Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Shalgam ka saag, that is curried turnips stew. We are making saag from 1 kg shalgam. Trim heads and bottoms of all turnips and peel them all. Discard peels and thoroughly wash all peeled turnips. Cut peeled and washed turnips into thin slices. Place turnip slices into your pressure cooker on medium-high heat, and add ½ teaspoon each of salt and turmeric powder into turnip slices. Also pour very little amount of water into pressure cooker. Close and seal it with its lid. Cook at medium-high heat until cooker whistles, then reduce heat to low and cook further at low heat for 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow steam's pressure to release on its own. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. Open the lid when pressure is completely released. Drain cooked turnip slices through a sieve kept over a large bowl. Drain completely, then place cooked turnip slices into a large bowl or pan. Mash using a fork or potato masher. Mash turnips into desired level of consistency. Mash completely into smooth paste or leave them a bit chunky. Choice is yours. You may even blend turnips in your blender or food processor. Leave mashed turnips aside for a while. Put a pan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons cooking oil or ghee in it. Add in 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, and when cumin starts crackling add in peeled and chopped 2 medium size or 1 large size onion. Adding onion is optional. You may or may not use onion in this saag. Stir and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes or until onion is lightly browned. Add 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger root. You may add garlic also if like to. Stir and sauté for another minute. Now stir in chopped 1 fresh green chili. You may omit it also. Stir and sauté for ½ minute, then add in 3 or 4 pureed tomatoes into pan. Stir and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until liquid is evaporated and rawness of tomatoes is gone. Season with ½ teaspoon or to taste of salt, 1/4 teaspoon or to taste of red chili powder or paprika, 1 teaspoon ground coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and ½ teaspoon garam masala. Stir to mix all well and cook for a minute. Now add cooked and mashed turnips into pan. Stir well to mix and cook for 5 minutes. Use potato masher and mash once again. Stir and roast mashed turnip saag for 5 minutes. Now add in ½ tablespoon or to taste of grated ghee, that is jaggery, into saag. Stir and cook for 4 to 5 minutes or until jaggery is well melted and mixes into saag. Finally add ½ teaspoon or to taste of amchur, that is dry mango powder. Stir to mix and roast further for 5 minutes. Roast until saag is smooth and starts to leave the pan. Sprinkle with 1 tablespoon chopped fresh cilantro or green coriander and turn off the heat. Delicious Shalgam ka saag, that is curried turnip stew, is ready. Serve warm accompanied with naan, roti or parantha. Enjoy! Like and subscribe for more recipe videos. It is absolutely free.